In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix lossless audio not showing on Spotify. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Spotify lossless, hi-fi or lossless audio quality is being rolled out gradually, so it may not appear for everyone yet, but there are several things you can try to enable it. So number one is make sure you have the right subscription. So lossless audio is not available on the free plan or premium tiers. So what we can do on your mobile device, go to settings, accounts, subscription, and check if you're on a free plan that supports hi-fi lossless. If you don't see an upgraded tier available in your country, that pretty much means it's not being fully released yet. Now, method number two is update your Spotify app. So lossless options may not appear on outdated versions. So on mobile, go to your App Store or Google Play and then update Spotify. On desktop, you want to go ahead and click on your profile like so, and then go ahead and check for updates. So you will need Spotify installed on your PC for this to work. Now, sometimes Spotify hides higher quality options until they're toggled. So go to settings, audio quality, make sure Wi-Fi and mobile streaming are both set to very high or automatic. If lossless appears, select it for all streaming and downloads. Also, we can try logging out and reinstalling. So log out of all devices, go to settings, log out everywhere, uninstall, reinstall Spotify, sign back in and recheck those audio quality settings.